Sorry, I didn't have, anyway. So this is kind of the dangerous area that I would be looking at on the SPY. So if we did, if we did not have follow through, but instead we just sort of, whoops, that's pretty big. We did something like that and then started to come back down. We get into this, then I'm going to get nervous. Even just touching it a little bit kind of makes me, I don't want to be there because there's too much risk of breaking down through these lows right here. And, you just don't want to hang on to all that, not if you're long. So anyway, this level here between this candle on 714, the open, and pretty much, well, let's just take the open of 715, I guess. And then this is 7.6, that's 7.18. So the open of 7.15, or the close 7.16, right through there. So that's right where that says. So if price does come back, that's what I'll be nervous about. If it does come back, but it stays above that, this choppiness is just still working right here, is what it is. So that's going to keep me okay and kind of relief rally bullish is what it's going to do. So anyway, I just wanted to point that out right there. Hope that was helpful. So right now we're above the T line. I'm all good with that. At the moment, I'm thinking we move up into the 401 area, maybe get to 405 up into here. That's what I'm kind of thinking for now anyway. Okay. XBI, I like what that's doing. I did buy some of that yesterday. I think it's acting very good. I think we have a very nice, let's make this blue. I think we have a very nice consolidation, constructing its own little wall pop through. I like that idea. We've got a low to high to a higher low. The chart overall is doing just what we want. We're over the 50. We're in a trend. We're still headed to target up here at about the 200 period moving average. So I see this as a trade. Like I say, I got into it yesterday. 3/8 trap. Here, let's put the trap up. There we go. So you can see it's a 3/8 trap right now. As I mentioned last night, I have 3 favorite entries. One is going to be the 3/8 trap, just like this. The other is going to be, take this high right here. That high right there. And that would be the highest high within the past 5 days. So if we were to break out of the trap, which you see, we didn't, the trap's not, the top trap line's not pulled down. So it's almost a conversation not even to have in this particular case. But if the 3 was down here and price was over the 3, but yet we were below the highest high in the past 5 days, then that would be an absolute buy for me. So there's 2 of my favorite ways to buy. The second is that breakout right there. Now, along with that one, then of course, any consolidation following it would be there. So that's my favorite setup. So we're kind of right there right now. So I'm hanging there on that one. Halo, I think, is really nice. Halo is setting up, nice trend. It keeps making higher highs and higher lows. We just keep cooking here, and low, high, higher, low. We're working to make that higher high. It might need to slow down a little bit in here, perhaps, but I'm going to watch for that buy signal. For me, the buy signal is not a bar moving down. The buy signal is a bar moving up. So yesterday would have been a great day to buy it, but didn't do it. I saw it yesterday, but didn't buy it. So now if it starts to move up, we'll take a look at that. Netflix. Let's talk about Netflix. Okay, earnings are out. Yay. It looks like we're putting in an inside day. Right now, this is very viable. Just remember that if you buy it, monitor it, because there yet may be a little bit of a sell-off on it. Be very careful. This is the first big buyers to jump into this. But Netflix is definitely setting up, and I would like to try to trade Netflix today. BMY, if you're still interested in something short, BMY still looks like it's headed south. This IMND, we're in that 3/8 trap. Now, this looks a lot like that, what is it, XBI? It looks a lot like that chart. Here we're up, and you see the multiple bar consolidation. The simple way to look at this is just take the T-line. Just take the T-line and draw a line just underneath it. Try not to touch it if you can. Just get underneath. Something like that. And if it wants to walk that direction, okay, watch for the buy signal as it walks that direction. Yesterday would have been a buy signal for me. Today on follow through would be a buy signal. Rivian. I still like Rivian. I'm waiting for the LTA scanner to tell me that it's hot to trot and ready to go. So I'll wait patiently. I would like to buy this. I see 25%, and that's assuming I can buy it, in this area right here. So you got to know that's what I'm looking at, because I see a 25% run here, which with an option is going to actually be closer to 50%. So I'm going to watch that. AGCN is another one. I love the chart. Here we gapped up. Looks like we're pulling back. That's opportunity in this area. That's going to be my area of opportunity. Keep an eye on that one. I'm glad we're pulling back a little bit. Target-wise, this is a simple rounded bottom breakout. Put the targets up there like that. There you go. Look how there's the dotted deuce. There's price action. There's 200, and there's price action. Easy peasy. Whoops. Nope. Sorry, guys. INSG is another one setting up. Somebody last night at the members webinar showed me this one. This is nice chart. I like this. A great little bottom, starting to round up. Price over the 50 period moving average. Let's see if we can, get price to drag up the T line and the 17 up there. Watch for that buy signal in there. 32% up there. Profit zone. Nice chart.